how to turn off or on show your profile to logged in users on Udemy. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser, and once you're here, click on your profile in the top corner, and here you will find your profile settings. Then all you need to do, just go to this one here, privacy, and here you will find show your profile to logged in users. You can turn it off or on just by one click. Just turn it off or on and then save it. Don't forget to save, and that's it. After that, just go back, and as you see, your changes have been successfully saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.